what I think has catalyzed the modern large language model, foundation model revolution is the emergence of the transformer architecture. And this architecture itself has been remarkably resilient in the sense that it's been around for 6-7 years now, and despite a lot of effort, the architecture overall has kind of like remained the same, and people have been pretty much working around it in terms of scaling up the data that is used to train the models using the transformer as a base architecture, or scaling up the infrastructure and the compute. But at the same time, what we are repeatedly seeing is the adoption of the transformer architecture, not just for applications in the language domain such as machine translation or conversational AI, but also in computer vision, in robotics, and in my application domain of biology and medicine as well. So that, I think, is the big deal over here, the emergence of an architecture that is so robust and resilient that you can pretty much freeze the architecture and work on the data and work on the compute and in terms of scaling up these models. And I think that is leading to all the remarkable results that we are seeing right now.